Okay guys, we have a 2025 Toyota Crown. I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the cabin air filter. Open the glove box here. Remove that piece just by popping it out, and your cabin air filter door is right there. Remove that door, and there is your cabin air filter. To remove this interior door, you're just going to push these down and pop it out. Your cabin air filter, and that needs to be replaced. I'll post one in the description, link you one. It's about $10 to $15. If you get a dealership to do this or a shop, it's probably going to be about 50 to 60 bucks. You can save a good amount of money just doing it yourself. So hopefully that helped, and thanks for watching.